Alright, dudes, so what's up? Man, what do I have to say about the A77s, dude? I love them. My favorite trucks to date, hands down. Better than Indy. Sorry guys, better than Indy. Better than old Ace for sure. Far. Wait. Greater. Wait, not good enough. Spectacular improvements on these trucks. They feel super awesome to ride. They're super carby. Those bushings, incredible. Finally, we have a bushing done right. And the washer cups that thing, keeps it all in. Us big guys, you know, 250 and up, you're not gonna be blowing out bushings on your first turn or wheel biting the heck out of your rig, you know. You don't need that. So anyway, the trucks are fire, dudes. Fire. I love them. I like them best on this Lucero. This is a 9.25 OG bars. I guess they have an 8.88. This is the 9.25. I think the width for me is perfect. You guys that typically would ride like a 169 truck on a you know, a 10-inch deck, or you know, you like a more narrow ride, and there's a lot of you, and a lot of you guys really rip. Like, I know some dudes, they like to have a much smaller truck than I do. So hey, to each his own on that. But to me, I found what makes me fire. I get fired up on that. Like, we forgot the rig we used to do our filming, so he was just holding my phone, and I only filmed for 10 minutes. It was like 10 minutes and 40 seconds. And in that short a time, I was able to get deep end carve grinds, stand-up grinds, front side grinds. And I'm gonna get into a video on that because something clicked, man. So I give you 2 thumbs up. That was 1 thumb, but I'm gonna do it twice. For these trucks, I'm gonna give them a 10 on the stoke chart because I am stoked about them. Man, look at the junk in this garage, dude. There's stuff everywhere, guys. Everywhere, man. Psh, too much. Boom. Anyway, yeah, take care. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed this session. Late. I'm loving these trucks, guys. Loving them. A77 AF1. I'm not sure what it means. I don't care, but it means rad.